Welcome, my friends, to my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today, I will be showing you how to peel a cactus fruit. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We will be cutting our cactus fruit as shown. First, we're going to cut the top part of our fruit, then the side, lastly, the bottom part, and we then open it and take it out. We will be doing the same to all our cactus fruits, cutting it as shown. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below what other videos you would like to see in my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and comment below what other recipes you would like to see. Don't forget to check out my other videos.